Hi, I'm Praveen from Car Culture. Our shop is located in Jainagar 7th block. We are since 2010.
Hi, my name is Karan. This is my car, Subaru Impreza WRX.
Car Culture, we are expertise in all the modifications from lower end to higher end. We do all the upgrades of audio like amplifier, subwoofer, head units, everything.
I've come today to Car Culture for an audio upgrade.
Today we have a customer called Karan. He has bought a Subaru Impreza, only one in Karnataka.
Mr. Praveen has suggested me to install a Pioneer subwoofer 1202S4 and an amplifier 7004 for better performance with bass and clarity.
As we all know, Pioneer is the oldest brand in the market. We prefer Pioneer because we fit and forget. Pioneer 1202S4 single coil subwoofer and 7004 4-channel amplifier.
Since I've installed the Pioneer system, I enjoy my drives better and it's been very good for on long drives.
Till now, we doesn't have any issue with the product and we have a very good customer base for Pioneer. Till now, any auto upgradation, people first prefer Pioneer.